Residents 75 years and older have been getting their COVID-19 vaccinations for a week now, but when will the next group in phase 2 get the go-ahead for their shots?
Western Mass News reporter Sarah Granelli is getting answers for us at the State House in Boston.
The governor says when the federal government supplies the state with more vaccines, that's when the state can move forward with vaccinating another group of people. People across the state are eagerly waiting to get the coronavirus vaccine. Massachusetts is currently in the beginning of phase 2 with residents 75 years or older allowed to get their shots.
The Mass sites are batting about 100% in terms of vaccine allocated and vaccine administered, and they'll continue to operate at that level.
Western Mass News has received dozens of calls and emails to our Vaccine Authority hotline, wanting to know when the Bay State will move to the next group in phase 2. That is people 65 years and older and those with 2 or more serious health issues. We went directly to Governor Charlie Baker for answers.
Well, I think we'll move beyond where we are now when we feel like we've done as much as we can do to get the folks who are part of the communities that are currently eligible vaccinated.
The governor tells Western Mass News the state has probably vaccinated about 200,000 people who are 75 years or older in the last few days. But he says more people need to get the shot before the state moves forward.
Part of the reason these communities were early was because they're vulnerable and at risk, and especially with some of the older folks, we need to give them a little room here to get there.
Sarah Granelli, Western Mass News.